St. Rita, it is important for us to develop each preschool child's social and emotional skills, language abilities, and a love of learning. The Early Childhood Program is designed to meet the developmental needs of young children who are hearing, deaf, hard of hearing, apraxic, or have other communication disorders from age 2.5 to 5 years old, to provide experiences that enrich and enhance each child's development, and to educate students who need special methods of communication in a safe, value-oriented environment. In the elementary grades, we offer comprehensive academic instruction with a focus on language and literacy development. Students receive highly individualized instruction in small, self-contained classes to meet their unique needs. There are two distinct programs, Deaf and Hard of Hearing program and Communication Disorders program. Both programs offer small class sizes with an emphasis on communication. Language instruction is incorporated throughout the entire school day to build a strong foundation. St. Rita School for the Deaf educates a wide variety of students with different identified needs. What keeps us united together is the need for visual communication, whether that comes in the form of sign language or augmentative communication. The junior high and high school programming at St. Rita is based on multi-age, multi-grade level groupings. Students, regardless of their identified disability, are grouped together based on their academic skills and communication mode. In addition to academics, we prepare students for the workforce and provide a variety of work experience to gain necessary skills. The Career Plus program is the 2-year program that prepares students for competitive employment. Educational classes are provided in a comprehensive communication environment, including sign language, providing students direct access to class material. On-site and off-site work experiences mirror the diversity of workplaces in our community with the assistance of a job coach and interpreter. The Career Plus program provides personalized instruction to support competitive employability skills, language enhancement, and financial literacy.